Hi friends, welcome back to the video series of understanding pivot tables. So in the last video we understood how a pivot table looks like, what is the layout and the four areas, value, row, column and filter, how to deal with them as well. So in this video we'll try to understand what kind of data is required for creating a pivot table. So the table shown in the PowerPoint here is the well-structured data which can be used for the pivot table. So the characteristics of a data which can be used for the pivot table are the data to be used for pivot table should be in a tabular form. There should not be any blank rows and columns. Every column should have a heading and columns should not contain repeating groups. Also, this applies to the rows. So we'll see a bad example of a pivot data table for a pivot table. So the table which is shown in the PowerPoint here is basically not useful for the pivot table because it has two different groups in the rows. The first group is Q1 is actually merged for the two rows, and the second group is basically months at each row, and the columns are not completely named with headings. One of the columns are missing and few blank cells as well. So this data table as it is cannot be used for a pivot table, and it should be repaired first and then can be used for a pivot table. So the below are basics of tabular format which can be used for the pivot table. First row should contain headings, which is basically describing each column's content, and then each column should contain unique category, so like northwest, east, south, whatever it is, the unique category. And then each row in your data source should represent individual items. Here if you just forget quarter, the month is actually representing each month in each row, so that is the best way. But the thing is that it's grouped again as Q1, which is not good for the pivot table, and we need to avoid blank cells. Then our data is ready for a pivot table. So that's the reason I said this is a well structured data for a pivot table. Hope you understood. We'll go with examples in the next video. Thank you.